Hola, I'm Yvette, and today I'm going to show you a fun way to elevate your cocktails. We're going to be making some floral ice cubes. So they're a lot of fun and they're pretty simple to make, but I'm going to show you some quick tips and tricks on how to make them to perfection. So what I always recommend is to get yourself some distilled water. You want to make sure that all those minerals are cleaned out so that you can have nice, clear ice cubes. And when it comes to the flowers, you want to be sure that they're edible. And they sell organic edible flowers at stores like Whole Foods or Trader Joe's. And so you can use pansies, rose petals. One of my favorites are marigolds, but I don't have any marigolds in season right now, but when I have them in my garden, those make the prettiest ice cubes. You can also use fresh herbs. I love mint and ice cubes. And the other thing is, like, I have cilantro growing in the garden, and sometimes we have little blossoms from the coriander that come out, and those work really great in ice cubes as well. And so the tip is you want to use that distilled water and you put a little bit in your ice cube tray because those flowers are gonna be floating back on top. So I like to put a little bit first, add in some little rose petals. And what's fun is, you can stay within the same color palette or just mix it up and have fun. So here's some pretty pansies. And some white ones look really pretty, like say you want to do a baby shower or a wedding. It looks really elegant. And then we'll throw in, and I love using like little tiny leaves because they just look really pretty. If you put too big of a flower, sometimes it takes up the whole ice cube. So it's fun just to have a little variety. And then look at how pretty that color is. With that purple and the little pop of yellow. So we'll add that on the bottom. And so then you just want to fill this up halfway. And the trick is to freeze them at this halfway point. Because what happens if you just have your flowers and fill the water all the way to the top, then when you freeze it, all of those just come up to the surface. So I like to freeze these halfway, and then we'll come back and add some more. Okay, our ice cubes are ready. They look so pretty. You can already see all those cute little flowers. Some have floated to the top, some are in the middle. And so let's make a drink so you can see how pretty they are. And if they're difficult to come out, you can also just run it a little bit on the back side with some warm water. But look how cute these are. Perfect for a little spring or summer fiesta. I'm gonna show you how it looks in a drink. This will be a good fun margarita, fun mocktail, even like iced tea. Look how adorable. These are edible, so you can enjoy them as you drink your refreshing cocktail. Salud.